massage therapist, and I'm with baking. I'm with Bella. And we're baking. Well, we're not baking. We're making cheese crisps. What do you call them?
Baking with Bella.
No.
And I'm the camera girl.
And, yes, Sammy's the camera girl. So I'm making cheese crisps, but lots of people call them quesadillas, but I can't do it. I can't call them quesadillas. I call them cheese crisps. So you take regular old tortillas.
Yep.
And you put them on a griddle, but I didn't turn this on yet. So if you don't have like a regular old griddle, like this, electric, you can just use a pan. But I want to do it at 350. Let me see, 350.
Your back is covering everything.
Is it? 350. I can't read it. Is that 350 right there? 350.
There we go.
So I do it at 350, and you put your tortillas on your griddle, and it's bent.
We're only baking 2. We're making with Bella today. Here.
We're making with Bella.
Yep, and we're making 2.
So when it warms up, you like flip it a couple times. Oh, and you know how you have leftovers sometimes, like chicken or steak? You like chop it up and put it in your freezer, and then when you go to make a cheese crisp, you have chicken that you can warm up and put on your cheese crisp. So there's green.
Can we use a spatula to flip it so I don't burn my hands? Mama, can we use a spatula to flip it?
Yep. It's slippery.
No flying.
Go ahead, flip it.
Wait, what are you doing now? She's making the chicken stuff.
I'm warming up chicken that was in the freezer. Okay, so you take a can of refried beans. Bella, face the camera. You don't want to face away from the camera ever.
No.
I don't think.
We don't want this beautiful face to be covered.
I know, right? Okay, oh, there it goes.
Yeah. We don't have beans are right there.
So you take your can of refried beans, and you take your cheese. Okay, so we have like already shredded cheese, but you can just take block cheese and shred it.
Yeah.
And you sprinkle cheese on your.
Oh no! Wait.
Okay, on your cheese crisp, on your
tortilla. Right there.
And actually, we should do like half.
That's good.
On just half of it. Yes. You will know you want more. You always want more cheese than less cheese. And you know what, guys? I don't know how much cheese. You just sprinkle cheese on until it's a nice little layer.
Yeah, you like cheese to be a layer.
Sammy, did you say hi yet? In front?
I already had some.
You already did? And you're warming up this chicken.
Hi.
I add a little water to it.
Oh wait, chicken. I can't see the chicken. It's not, okay, there's the chicken. There's the chicken. Some of the cheese is starting to melt and melty. Good, that's good. That's a good sign.
It is. So then you scoop some beans on half. And you smush it down.
You're only putting cheese on the half, right?
Yes.
And then beans on the other.
You can put the cheese on the whole thing if you want. But this is how we make it at home.
And it's easier too.
Oh, and you cut up a tomato. I have tomato and avocado.
Oh.
And you put it to the side.
Yeah, let's
Just in case people don't want it.
Yeah, I don't like tomatoes. I don't like avocados or tomatoes.
Oh my gosh, so I'm so glad we're not putting it in it.
Yeah.
Will you stir the chicken for me here?
Chicken.
Just like gently do that. Yeah.
Chicken needs to be stirred every once in a while. I'll eat avocados if it's in guacamole.
Oh, I know, right? It's so good.
That's like the only way I'll eat it.
So you take some scoops of refried beans. Your chicken is warming up, and then you like scoop some chicken onto your cheesy side or the refried bean side.
But cheesy side.
Cheesy side.
Oh, it's the best.
And you spread it around.
Your hands. Okay, there we go.
So this is what you do next.
It's just a girl's day.
You flip the cheese crisp in half. And you like squish it a little bit.
Oh no, it knocked the camera.
Uh-oh.
Not down, but there we go. Still recording.
It is. And you flip the other one, yeah.
Not
cut it
on your
in.
mug.
I did.
I'll let you know.
It's very hot. So you take a little spoon or the spatula.
The tortilla burns me.
Oh no. And then you squish it a little bit.
They're using a stick.
And you let it sit there. And then you flip it again.
Flip it again.
And minutes, it'll be all ready. So there's a cheese crisp.
Or potatoes.
And we'll be back.
Yep, later.
So now we're trying it, but Bella doesn't want to have any right now, but that's okay.
I'm not hungry. I ate a big lunch.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, I had like 500 plus of burritos.
So what do you think, Sammy?
Delicious.
Yum. Oh, I never put the avocado and tomato with it. Oh well.
We'll do it later.
Bye-bye. Have a happy
You
day.
can also put anything.
Oh, and hot sauce.
Oh yeah. My mom would love that. My mom.
I'm not a hot sauce person.
No, my grandma. I'll do like 2 or 3 or 4 drops of it, and that's it.
Is that it?
Like, I'll only do 1 drop. I'll mix it with the beans, and it'll be like, it would be barely spicy.
Exactly. Oh, be careful. Maybe let it cool for a little bit. Careful out there.
I'll try a bite.
Okay, try a bite.
It's really good. Good job.